The Worlds of the North and South Introduction. Eli Whitney, a young man from Massachusetts, listened politely to the Georgia planters' complaints. Tobacco prices were low, and rice and indigo prices weren't much better. Cotton grew well, but cleaning the seeds out of cotton fibers was a big problem. A slave picking out seeds by hand could clean only a few pounds a day. At that rate, even using a cheap slave labor, there was no profit in raising cotton. Unless something changed, the future of farming in the South looked bleak. As the planters talked, a solution to their problem began to take place in Whitney's head. While growing up in Massachusetts, Whitney had revealed a gift for invention. As a boy, he had found a way to manufacture nails more quickly than by hand. From nails, he had gone on to hat pins and men's canes. After graduating from college in 1792, Whitney went to Georgia to work as a tutor. Instead of tutoring, however, he became intrigued by the problem of cotton cleaning and wrote, "Struck out a plan of a machine in my mind." The result, as you will read, was a simple but brilliant invention that changed life in both the North and the South, but in very different ways. This probably did not surprise Whitney. As a Northerner living in the South, he had already noticed many differences between the two sections of the country. Northerners and Southerners shared the same language and worshiped in the same kinds of churches. They shared a fierce pride in their country and a faith in democracy. Yet their outlooks and attitudes about many things were quite different. These two sections also differed in other ways, including their economies, transportation systems, and societies. During the early 1800s, these differences led to sharply conflicting views on many national issues, so much so that, at times, Northerners and Southerners seemed to be living in two separate worlds. As you guys look for it in the packet, we're going to talk about four different topics: geography, economics, transportation, and society. And we're going to compare the North and the South and see how they literally could have been two different countries.